abantu abaorganizele mashi bese kubayibona abathatha iplatform bazokunikeza abasebenzi. Sezwana ngithi asondeleni ke thina-ke asondeleni abobaba abalida imashi le ibona-ke manje sebazoteka over basitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani manje. Siyabonga sibonga inhlonipho ephuma ku-station commander wethu ephuma kumama e-Home Affairs. Ngicela nimshayeleni bashayeleni izandla. Thank siyathokoza nokathenda khulu kwenu ningalahla nangomuso ngoba asidini namhlanje step sokuthoma siyathoma namhlanje kusuka la right uzokwenza amalokanje ama-rollout ma-sections anjengala angikhulu isipilo sibakhiphe bonke bangasekhona abayilibaliki siyazona papras sizazokwenza njengomana ilida le ikhulumile enye sisazoyenza iyele elokhanjini emaforeni basho kuna-2000 abantu ngamaforeni acatsheke lapho and uphuma abaforeigners lawo kuvuleka kwembereko woke umuntu uzobereka la woke umuntu uzokuthengisa la soke sizokhona i-South Africa ikhadi isikhathi sayirarwa ngaphandle so nesiqeda la usokujama lapha nina nesinikela i-direction ukuthi nangenhle kunesisenzani and then siyithathe from lapho enye into esiyayenza ngiba ukuthi besivule sokuvula ne-WhatsApp group yayi mashi nasobe sitsho khona sinikelana khona imbono ngiyena sinikela i-direction
ukokepise brown nangula
okay
ngena la so 1 2 3
Amanye ama-province, this memorandum, i-memorandum it was delivered nationally. It was a day ukuthi amaphoyisa nomphakathi bakhambe basheke la kunama-foreigners khona ukuthi bahleli khona banamaphepha na not ukuthi from nasisuka la namaphoyisa bayisenguba
utasesolo rasiyena
okay siyamuzwa umnakwethu ukhuluma into ezwakalayo masisuka lana ngithi ushilo umnakwethu ukuthi siyalapha ngaseshop ne la sokhuluma khona amanye ama-grievances wethu la sobeka khona ezinye izinto phasi ngokuthi njengoba sisho ngicela ukukhuluma manje ukuhlaba no-station commander la uthi sicela ukuthi asihlangabezele no-station commander wangale eMarble Hall sifuna ukusubmita incwadi lemaplotini uzasenzela ubabethu khona ngithi so into ekhulunywa ubaba i-right mara soyiqedelela masifika lapha babethu nalapha soba right ukuthi basifundele i-memorandum lena sikhona ukuthi sibe right. You are in the right platform, umuntu o-right siyabonga. Comrades bengibonga ngoba nasi memorandum usizenayo and nama-officials la fanele ukuthi siyisubmite kibo napha abakhona asekho isidingo sokuthi nokuwatch isikhathi eside khulu ngoba kade sithomile soloko thina abanye singabo-5 so ngifuna ukuthi siyivale sisubmite okanje ngiba ukuthi ngithoma ngiyifunde matangi mangiqeda ukuyifunda and then bese siyabe sayisubmita-ke and then bese sizoyithatha from la ukuthi sokwenzani and then into esiyipropose-ako thina siyi-leadership sitsho ukuthi siza kuzama ukwenza ne-WhatsApp group and then i-WhatsApp group la ibizokufaka imbono yenu ukuthi abantu abasibabereka njani until baphume baphele bonke nje Papa leadership ye-martial Papa uyaka i-memorandum ifundeka ngokulandelako siyibhale ngesikhuwa kuzanade ngichaza nangesikhethu ngoba niyazi ukuthi lokanje ilimi lesikhweni lezangesikephu akusilimi thina esilaziyo kahle thina sikhuluma isikhethu sinade si-interpreta lana sibona sikhona sinathi siyazwisisa la sikazwisisi khona ngoba isikhuwa nathi asisazi siyadlula ngoba mara imessage iyi-1 asabafuni kuphela So memorandum of demands, immediate repatriation of undocumented immigrants. Leso hloko sithi somarisho abathuthwe bakahambe. Immediate repatriation of undocumented foreigners. Sidiniwe kade sibabekezelela. Sitsho njalo sithi abahambe. So the memorandum le sisile la ama departments abahluleleko la ekosta ukuthi nalabo nabaceda ukuyithola bayisekiwe. Sisa ku President of Republic of South Africa niyamazi bese sisana ku Premier Province eMpumalanga, bese sisana ke Executive Mayor ye-JS Moroka, bese sisana ku National Commissioner of South African Police Service. Ibuya kuma concerned citizens of Dr. JS Moroka Municipality wala eMpumalanga. Idate kunamhlanje zi-30 June. Bese i-preamble indlela introduction yakhona. Ithi yona, we the residents and concerned citizens of the Dr. JS Moroka local municipality join hands with patriotic South Africans to express our deep concern regarding the high number of undocumented and illegal immigrants within our local communities and across the country. While we respect international human rights framework, our primary allegiance is to sovereignty, laws, safety, and economic survival of South Africa. The current situation places an unsustainable strain on our national and local resources. Bese ama key grievances ukuthi ingwengwengwilo zethu ithe strain local services ichukuthi la kukhulu sibetheke khona ngendaba ama foreigners le into yenza ukuthi gcine sesisuku manje ikhuluma ngeclinic ngibonile clinic abagcelanga lekusela amaphilisi ya ikhuluma nangenkoroni babonile ukuthi enkoroni bagcelanga nabantwana bemibethu abasena base ikhuluma nange-water infrastructure amanzi la akasasilingani ngendlela abagcwele ngayo sesiwatshela sibaningi. Sanitation services within Dr. JS Moroka are severely overextended. Chukuthi umbuso lo soberegisa imali enengi khulu uvulela icapacity yethu yabantu abalanga. Ngithi cost cover nabantu bangaphandle. Ngezinye zezinto ezisikimisileko enesesidinwe ngazo ubone sesikimileko singasabafundi kangaka. Ibuye noho enye isinqomo sethu sithi economic exclusion. Local trading markets anani hasvela ama-sponsor shop ngibo vele bathethe wonke. Informal economies bagcwele musila ngibonile nemikhukhu museyenti ngiyo informal economics imikhuku esidlula i-empty le ukuthi nayo iphethwe ngibo and kulangathana abantu bekhaya ababhizi bathengisa labo bathengisa ukudla. Angeke sikhona ukubambelele sibekezela abantu bazokusuka eZimbabwe bazokusuka eMozambique for uzokuthi abantu e-Inchiscopo. Mara bastati serious. Chava. Yes, it's a bad, but and jobs meant for you to face distortion. Imbereko lelo fanele thathe abantu abatsha nayo iseko, rising unemployment among citizens. Vele niyabona abantu kuhlezi akunamro sabereka kwekhaya. Nebhesi behlala esigcwele porisho ebhesini nje ibhesi sesigedeza zodwa zipitorile. Bathethe wonke umbereko. Bese sithi security concerns. Unregulated areas and undocumented individuals make policing and crime prevention exceptionally difficult for local police, for local South African Police Service. Yazi la batazana batazina ukuthi umura khona nanoma umbambile nithetha ama fingerprint nani imreleaseako nithi kosta attend court enzani angasazikhambele ngoba akunalaza bengisamtreza khona nomtrezela kuphi ngasasuka la uhlala eVaterfala sokwazi njani ngokuthi asinandro ephathekako embambisako ukuthi singakhona ukumtreza somlandelela ngoba abana ama fingerprint abanambasa and baze ilocal nje nezweni lethu. Bese ithi violation of law. Residing in South Africa without valid legal documentation directly violates illegal Immigration Act of 2002. Kahle la yazi comrades kunjani. Kamara banempepho kodwa bakhambe yazi wayo. Umthetho South Africa yazi uthini. uthi uzala eSouth Africa nangabe uzokwenza i-investment over 5 million. Manje ispaza shop asenzi 5 million kamari uze ngokomthetho mara ispaza shop asi-investment ye-5 million. And usanokho mhlambe uze ngendaba zezokufunda mhlambe uaplayele i-local visa ukuzofunda for 3 years. After 3 years lo mntu kambe manje abantu aba-apply indwezo bafike bahlalele futhi abanye bazayo batsho beze iyaselani ezaselani ukuthi nakuliwako e-country nakho ubalekele kwesinye isizwe mara ngendlela engayole abantu abayi-aplaya i-local asylum mara emazweni abakuliwa kuhlezi ukuthi peaceful yazi ubona ngani ubona ngokuthi kuza amadoda wodwa